Good morning, everyone. So, this is the third video for MCB Unit 1 Dal Delight. So, in the first PPT, we have already given you some information about the author and an introduction to the story as well. Second PPT, we had given you summary about the story, and in this PPT, we will be covering the character sketch. Okay, so character sketch means like while you sketch a character, like what are the things that you have noted in a character? Like what are traits that you have noted in that character once you finish reading of that story? So when you take this Nawab, what is the name of that Nawab? Nawab Hassan Ali, right? So in this person, we can see like he is impatient and arrogant person. We can say impatient and arrogant in the sense like he does not have any patience at all. So because when you see like when you especially when you take that scene where you can see him flying the kites, and when Sadiq approaches him and he reminds him about the lunch that was prepared by his father, he gets arrogant. He tells him like, "Can't you see that I'm flying kite?" So you can notice his arrogance over there. And then at the same time, you can say like he is generous also because he had given Kadir. He had rewarded Kadir. He had given him enough money to start a new shop to have a better shop. And then we can see in his nature like he has a great passion for tasting food also, like very so whatever he is ready to take any trouble for that, even though he comes to know like he is very rich. And after even after that, even after Kadir set forth some conditions in order to try the dish, in order to try the dal shahi urud also, Nawab Hasan Ali is ready to take all that troubles because he wanted to taste that uh, dal shahi urud. But at the same time, you can see like he is not at all punctual, not at all punctual in the sense like he is very careless with time, like he doesn't care uh, uh, about time at all. So because when you can notice is like he keeps on flying, he's too much engrossed in, he's too much involved in flying kites, and he forgets about the dal that he had ordered yesterday. And but at the same time you can contrast it with the character of Kadir, because Kadir is very particular about that time. He wants his customers to be there on time itself. And you can see like very self-indulgent in the sense like he finds pleasure in things like like in kite flying, whether it is of new dishes and everything. He finds pleasure in all these things. Coming to the another main character, Sadiq. So who is Sadiq? That is Fasi Cook's son. The name of Fasi Cook is Muhammad Khadir. So Muhammad Khadir's son Sadiq, you can see is very confident and he is very appreciative also. He believes in his father actually, and you can see him also like you can see notice the father-son relationship also here. Sadiq as a son, as a very good son who supports his father in everything, and who wanted to improve the business also. So you can see all this nature in him, like who wanted to improve the business of his father, and who knew his father very well because he knew that his father was fussy and he was not able to hold any customers. So he was appreciative and he was confident of his father's skills. And he is at when the beginning of the story itself, you can see him sitting and brushing away the flies, and he is fully involved in his father's work. He helps his father. Uh, then then he wanted Nawab to appreciate his father and to reward his father also. So he is so concerned, though his father is not concerned or not cared about all these things. He is that kind of person who takes things seriously, or who is matured enough, or it is written it is quick-witted, and he's clever also in the sense that he is quick-witted, or the presence of mind. All these things we can notice when he asks his friend Aman to cut Nawab's kite so that the kite would drift down, and so that the Nawab would stop flying kite there, and he would go to his father, go to Sadiq's father to try the dish that is prepared by him. And at the same time, he is respectful. When you compare with again with that character of Kadir, he is respectful and he gives the position position of Nawab, that highness position, and he treats Nawab and and even his servant also politely, courteously in the sense politely. The other important character, Qadir, Muhammad Qadir, actually, he is a fussy cook. So when you say like fussy cook, you get many negative, you see Qadir as a negative image actually. But you can see many positive traits also in that character because you can see him, he's very punctual. He wants his customers to be there on time. And you can see he never cooks, he is that kind of person who never cooks food beforehand itself. He prepares food. He cooks food only on orders, and not a money-minded or business-minded person who is least bothered about the reward of the Nawab or customers also. Because of this itself, he lost a lot of many customers, and he was not moved by this highness status of the Nawab also, and he's least bothered about his reward also. And then another small character you can see, like character small in the sense like character because which does not have who does not have that much role in the story, Aman. But though he is Sadiq's friend and he's very helpful and understanding, you can see the theme of friendship between Aman and Sadiq also. And Aman, it is because of he's very clever, and because of Aman is very good in kite flying also, and it is because of Aman that Nawab's uh, kiters cuts Nawab's kite and which is drifted down, and because of that only Nawab reaches Qadir's stall on time. When you see the theme of the lesson, or what did you understand from the lesson, we can see from each character because of your self-confidence and belief in your skills. Belief in your skills means your whatever skills, like you need to know yourself, right? Self, what all qualities that you have, that you need to know. So when you have that confidence in yourself, and when you have that confidence in your skills also, there is no need of anyone to believe in your skills, or there is no need of anyone to believe in you. Only if you have that confidence, if you have that self confidence, what will happen? You can achieve your goals and you can reach your aims. So, like that of Kadir, actually, Kadir is self-confidence and his skills. He was very talented and also. So, because of that talent, he never felt that he need to respect rich and everyone. So, he was very confident, and because of that skill itself, he uh, he tried. He was rewarded by Nawab. And then your cleverness, wit and commitment. Cleverness in the sense like your presence of mind, actually, presence of mind. So here, this character, you can see the character of Sadiq, how he used that trick to bring Nawab to his father's stall, who never uttered a rough word to his father, who never wanted to hurt his father, but who wanted to appreciate his father's skill. So because of the cleverness of Sadiq only, he used this wit and to succeed in bringing Nawab to his father's